han thot habral lo jilga tara tha lo jitle ina phaisa ili milo jitla ilam sam dak sang khai re ngasai lge yuwang sang milo de na po dak le ne mire ji athumna mom thani kli yang se yaru hida da ngazan la pai ngazan salala as long as it's your hard work now you know the dignity of labor now young now atam khshok ganan rami de gleji that is worth whatever it is no ngazan makeup ji ketiam no salala so thanga da yaw khram ne I hope it continues phag me shokro and community comes together as one tangful community ni majority ni jimang ma da bi khangdei la tra ka bom le pom dak le pan dak le ka tong le sunna genuinely that we are a very accommodating people and we understand in inclusiveness mi yaru ko ka sa ko he ring phamai ba ba mai ji hi message hi I want that everybody spread that and then continue this and the good works ni share try things at the mirror you fix your hair and put your makeup on you're insecure about what clothes to wear I can't see nothing wrong to me you look so beautiful when you can make up your mind it's 8:30 it's getting late it's okay take your time standing here my hands in my pockets like I have 1,000 times thinking back you took one breath one word to change my life the first time I saw you it felt like coming home if I never told you I just want you to know you had me from hello this is all for my wife and the beautiful women when we walk into a crowded room it's like we're all alone everybody tries to kidnap your attention you just smile and steal the show you come to me and take my hand we start dancing slow you put your lips up to my ear a whisper way down low from the first time I saw I felt like coming home if I never told you I just want you to know you had me from hello come on everyone and when you're laying down beside me our network problem नहीं थे लगा अच्छा वो पूछे हम इधर शाम लगा इला सामे और इन्हें फामे कब और well I know a place where love comes easy and I know a woman who meets me there and she takes my hand and gently leads me and we go up to the room at the top of the stairs I close the door and she pulls the curtain though we make love it's a private affair And I've been around, and I know for certain there ain't no room like the room at the top of the stairs. Then we climb up the stairway to heaven, and we find love waiting there. And right at home, just me and my baby, and the loving's cool in the room at the top of the stairs. Yeah, I know a place where love comes easy, and I know a woman who meets me there. Yeah, she takes my hand and gently leads me, and we go up to the room at the top of the stairs. And the loving's cool in the room at the top of the stairs.